Hey y'all, what is up? It's Untitled back from another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can utilize your public profile to the best of its abilities and how to make it the best public profile you can. So let's get right into this video. So starting off, we all know what a public profile is from my last video or all my other videos that I have made about how a public profile is not the same thing as a creator profile, but you can still utilize it and still make it a great thing for your account. So let's talk about the things that you need to do to make your public profile the best public profile you can make it for your account. Starting off, we want to start off with a good profile picture. We don't want anything that's too blurry, and we don't want anything that looks like you just took a snap of it. Try to take a good picture or use a picture from your camera roll, something that maybe shows you off or even shows you in good lighting, and make sure that there's a focus to it. So make sure the background is a little blurred and that you are the main focus if you're doing a picture of yourself. Now, if you're doing a picture of something else, make sure it's a picture of something that you focus on. If it's a meme, make sure it's a meme that you would post on your story. Now that you have your profile picture set up, you want to make sure your display name is a good display name, meaning that it doesn't have a bunch of emojis, it doesn't have a bunch of words. Try to keep it between two words, two simple words. Even if it's just your name, try to simplify your name. My name is Reese Tafaso, and I made it as simple as possible. I didn't make it the Great Reese Tafaso or like something along the lines of making me longer than I need to be. So I made it as simple as possible and straight to the point. Even if your display name isn't great, you can still change it. Now, to change it, you do have to delete your public profile and create a new one, but you can delete public profiles and create a new one. No hassle. Just click the button again and you'll be able to create a new public profile. Now that we have a display name and public profile picture, now we need to figure out how to do a bio and everything else along the lines of highlights and location. So starting off with location, you want to put either your location where you're at or maybe the country you're from, or you could even utilize it to tell what you do. So if you're a video creator, you could put video creator. For your bio, you have 150 characters. You want to make sure that you use all 150 characters, but to use the 150 characters correctly, as I would say, you would want to make sure there's a call to action. When creating your bio, put I am blank and I do this, this, and that. If you want to see more of my content, make sure to subscribe. Check out my highlights to see more of what I do. Try to give them a call to action to make them want to subscribe to you. And that way, when they subscribe to you, they also have another thing to do, which would be checking out your highlights. As for highlights, try to make sure that your highlights include stuff about you or maybe your memes that you'll be posting. Now, if you have a creator account, I recommend posting all the admins that you have on your account. So take a picture of all your admins or have them send in a picture of you, and then you can create a highlight called admins. Now, when creating highlights, you want to use good names that aren't just random crappy names. You want to use something that actually grabs the attention. So for my one public profile, I like to say my YouTube channel, check out. And that's a way to get people to just look at my YouTube channel and check out what I do. I would recommend making 2 to 4 highlights and make sure you have your favorite highlights on the top, so create them last. They always are on the top. Now, the last thing for your bio is you want to make sure that you update your bio on about a monthly basis and update your profile picture on a 2-week to 3-week basis, because you don't want to have the same profile picture. You want it to be updated and you want people to know that you're going along and you aren't just an old account that hasn't been used in a while. So make sure you're updating your bio. Make your bio interesting too. Try and tell a little bit about yourself and utilize every character. Alright guys, I know this was one of my shorter videos, but you guys seem to like my Snapchat videos more than any of my other videos, so I'm going to keep making Snapchat videos. I appreciate all of you who are subscribed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.